Today, Vijay has taken the center stage. His fiery attack on the DMK and BJP at his party's anniversary has sent shockwaves across the nation.
இந்த கல்விக்கான நிதியை நம்மளுடைய மாநில அரசுக்கு கொடுக்க மாட்டாங்களாம். இந்த எல்கேஜி யூகேஜி பசங்க சண்டை போட்டுப்பாங்க தெரியுமா? அந்த மாதிரி.
With many wondering, could he be the one to break Tamil Nadu's two-party system? His supporters certainly believe so. But who is Vijay? Is he truly the new hope of Tamil Nadu politics? One of Tamil cinema's biggest stars, Vijay is the son of director S.A. Chandrasekhar. He made his debut as a child actor in Vetri in 1984. Over 3 decades, he has acted in 68 films, delivering massive blockbusters like Gilli, Pokiri, Tupaki, Kathi, Marcel, and Leo. His films have shattered box office records, making him one of the highest paid actors in India. With an unmatched fan following, Vijay is known as Talapati, a leader. In February 2024, Vijay announced his retirement from films and the launch of his political party, TVK. This move was unlike other Tamil actors who balanced both cinema and politics. Vijay made it clear politics is not a pastime for him. He is here to stay. His political entry marks a new chapter in Tamil Nadu's long-standing tradition of actors influencing politics. Vijay has promised transparency, non-partisan governance, and a commitment to Tamil Nadu's culture and constitutional values. He has confirmed that TVK will contest the 2026 assembly elections, giving his supporters hope for a major political shift. In his own words, Vijay said, and I quote, "Politics is not a pastime for me. It is my deep passion. I wish to fully immerse myself in politics for public service after completing my commitments to another film I have already committed to without causing any disruption to party activities. This is what I consider my gratitude and duty to the people of Tamil Nadu." End quote. But can Vijay truly change Tamil Nadu's political future? His vast fan base spans across generations and regions, unlike the older demographics usually seen rallying behind film stars in politics. This gives him an edge, one that could challenge even the strongest of political establishments. Standing on par with Rajinikanth in stardom, Vijay now hopes to follow the path of MGR in politics.